In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting any app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top, select Open in split screen view, and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!